Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to go through a quick walk around of the application which includes in Power Platform, and that is Power Automate, Power Apps, and Power BI. Okay, so whenever you log into Office 365 portal, so the login is pretty much simple. You have seen me logging in multiple videos. So, if you are sure how to log into Office portal, please go through with my videos, and then once you are logged in into Office 365 portal, okay. So you have to navigate to Apps section here, okay, and you need to scroll down to Page Apps in a different window. When you click on Power Automate, it will do the same. It will open up Power Automate in a different window. However, this is not the case within the same window itself. So you can hide this and you will be able to see Power BI application in the window. And you also get Power BI desktop application. So I will show you later on how to open up or how to use Power BI desktop application. And anyway, you can download the Power BI app. When you click on download, it will give you two options. Click on download. So you can download any one of the option and you will be once you install it, the Power BI desktop application will be installed on your machine. Okay. So I will later in the videos I will show you how it looks like. Okay. So now when it comes to Power BI, there are multiple things which you can do. Power BI desktop is basically used for creating dashboards, your Power queries, data connectors, SQL data connections, or getting data from multiple sources. So basically, it used to create data related things, and the Power BI online version is basically used to create reports. Okay, so in the later videos, how to create reports, we'll see, and then it comes to applications. So if you want to develop an application which you want to showcase to everyone, and which will have data, of course. So you can just click on application and you can click on get apps, or you can search for the application or any similar application you like, just get it and try creating it. Workspaces is a place wherein you can create your own workspace for a particular team, wherein team persons can come in and make modifications into the data. So again, we'll see deeply into the workspaces, and then workspace is actually a personal space wherein you can create your own workspace and work on the data and the file and everything. Okay, so I have multiple files here, but at your end it may be blank, but you do not worry. In later videos, we'll see how to create items or create things in workspace. Okay, how to utilize this workspace. Now, let's do a quick walkthrough of Power Automate. When you open up Power Automate, the default page which shows up, it's like this. Okay, so home you can ignore. Let's come to create. So when you click on create, you have multiple options to create flows, like automated create flow, like it will work automatically. Instant cloud flow, that whenever you do anything, it will be started. And schedule cloud flow, it means that you want it to run on a schedule basis, or you can create multiple type of flows. And if you are not sure how to create or what type of flow you want and you don't know how to create, so you can just come down and select the templates. If it is available, you can just select the template, or uh, search for any template as like I can just simply search for approval. So it will show me every template which is related to approval. Okay, and also you can search through categories here, like remote work, approval button. I have multiple categories available. You can just pick a template according to these categories and start working on it. Okay, my flows. In my flows, you are able to see how it will shows up in this particular area, and generative action is not I mean, it's just introduced. So I'm not sure what is the benefit of using this. I'm not sure. And shared with me is basically the section wherein if any flow is created by someone else and you have been shared or you have been invited to edit the flow, it will show up in shared with me. Okay. And if any approval flow is created and you are added as an approver, so you will see multiple approvals here. Okay. Solutions. Solutions is basically comes handy wherein you want to develop a particular solution which include apps, your desktop connections, or your flow connections, or any other connections like Jira connection or any premium connection. So it will basically you will have to create a new solution and you will have to create applications into these. But I'll later videos I'll show you how to use the solutions. Okay, and that's it for mainly things which we'll discuss in later on. That what are the main things which we use. Okay, we mostly do not use other options. And last but not least, which is Power Apps. So when you click on Power Apps, so the basic first page which shows up is this. Okay, it is a complete blank. And again, when you click on Create, you have multiple options that start with Copilot. Like it's a AI which will help you to create the application. You have data, you can create your application. You can also create Power Pages. So we'll see how to create Power Pages and blank canvas app. You want to develop the application on your own from the scratch, you can select this one. Okay, and if you scroll down, so there are multiple templates already available. You can select any one of the template and start working on it. Okay, and if I come to apps, so applications basically shows all the application which you have created. So there are couple of applications which I've created on my own. That is why it's showing up here. It may be blank at your end, so do not worry. Okay, and tables. These tables are part of Dataverse. There are already multiple inbuilt tables available for model-driven apps. We'll see how to use this. Tables, okay, in model driven apps. Flows is basically a type of connections, like you can initiate or you can create a connection between Power Apps to Power Automate through which flows can be triggered. Solutions is basically a part of your organization need whenever you want to create some custom applications for particular purposes. You can create a solution and you can import your or you can design application into power into these solutions. Again, we'll look into more details in the later videos. This is just a quick walkthrough of the video. So we have seen a few things about these applications. In the later videos, we'll start to utilize the applications. Okay. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching the video. And if you like it, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye.